Another video about to steal the show. Nah, I gotta come with better bars than that. Shout out to my boy Pat. He said he needed the bars, he needed them next, and so here we go. I had to put him in the show. Got a review on the shoe ready to go. So here we go, guys. You already know I'm coming with the flow though. This shoe right here is so tough, bro. A lot of shoes came out, but I had to get this shoe right here. We're reviewing it next. Big bars, Rebels, you know what time it is, man. Video up. Let's get to it. Family, what's good? Rebels, what's up? It's your boy CJ McGill, man. Back with another video for you today. Rebels, listen, you already know. Let's get the formalities out of the way, man. Before we even get into the review of the shoe we're talking about today, make sure you like all the videos on the channel, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment. Let's have a discussion throughout Rebel Gang, guys. Let's go ahead and get that done. Also, while you're at it, Rebels, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Mac the Rebel. The links should be popping up on the screen if they haven't done so already, and they will be in the description of the video. So guys, listen, this past weekend was full of shoes that dropped. I mean, we had a ton of heat, man. We had some charcoal Jordan 9s, the Charcoal University Gold Jordan 9s, I should say. It was just so many different shoes that dropped. And I know me personally, although I was looking forward to the 9s and for it to give you guys a review of it, but to also have it in my collection, but then I thought about it, there was another shoe that dropped. And I don't think people really were paying attention to it. Now, I think this shoe may have sold out. It may still be available. I'm not 1000% sure, so don't quote me on that. But guys, there was a shoe that dropped on Friday, January 29th, and I just had to get my hands on it because I already have a few pairs that are within this collection, so I had to just scoop it up, man. One thing I had to do was first see it in person because I saw the pictures online. I'm like, okay, the shoe is cool, but I gotta see it in person because I'm not a fan of pink per se. I don't know, I'm just thinking like I gotta see this shoe in person. So guys, with that being said, you already know what we're talking about. Well, if you saw the title and you saw the description and you saw the thumbnail, you already know what shoe we're talking about, man. You see me taking it out the box right now. Straight out the box, guys. We are talking about the New Balance Vision RACER in its black and pink colorway. Let's get into it. Now that we're back, you already know what we're talking about. We are talking about the New Balance Vision RACER in its pink and black colorway, okay? Now, granted, I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably like, man, there were some other shoes that came out that are probably a little bit doper than that. That is true, guys, but when you already have multiple pairs of a shoe of a certain silhouette, multiple colors, and the silhouette is growing on you, it tends to make you want to get more colors. And when I saw the pictures of this shoe release, I'm thinking to myself like, you know, and normally when you think on a shoe, you're like, it's probably gonna be a pass. But in my situation, I was like, let me go to the store I normally frequent and let me actually see the shoe in person, man. So that's what I did. I ended up trying it on and I ended up liking it and I ended up buying it. This is a size 11.5, so personal pair for your boy, man. Normally I wear a 12 in most things, but an 11.5 fits just as comfortable in this one as well. Black and pink New Balance Jaden Smith Vision RACER, guys. Really, really clean shoe, man. Now, normally we're used to seeing like mesh on the toe boxes. We're normally used to seeing mesh all the way throughout the shoe, but this looks like a really well done like recycled leather with like a soft nubuck. So on the toe box right there, guys, there is a really good leather, really clean leather on the shoe. Take it all the way around. It is leather all throughout. Of course, we got that New Balance logo on the back right there. And as you see me turn the shoe, guys, you do notice one, the extra set of pink laces, but you also see the pink Vision RACER logo going around the upper, okay? Also, guys, there is New Balance branding all over the shoe. So you have New Balance right here on the side in black. You also have it on the other side as well, on the back, of course. And you also have it on the bottom right here. And like most of the Vision RACERs, it does say Vision RACER thumbnail. It does say Vision Racer on the bottom. Now, with the other Vision Racers that have come out, it just says Vision on the bottom. For example, I was able to get my hands on the Vision Racer Multi. It does just say Vision on the bottom. And one thing I do like about this shoe, guys, is that it's black. You know what I'm saying? A lot of Jaden's other shoes have been a little bit louder, or they've been white, like a white base color. Like there was a white, blue, and yellow one that dropped. Alongside this black pair, there was like a rust pink, a soft pink and white type of color that dropped. I was able to see both of them. I like the white one, but I just preferred the black one, as you guys already know. So really clean shoe, guys. Of course, like I said, Vision Racer on the bottom. Extra set of pink laces. Black laces already come in the shoe. Now the laces look really nice and clean, and I do like the fact that it does have that contrast of black and white going up the middle of the shoe, because you don't want the shoe to be completely black with a little bit of pink, so it actually does look really good. So this is the pair right here, family. Size 11 and a half Jaden Smith Vision Racers, black and pink colorway. On the inside, it does have Jaden's autograph. Let me make sure you guys can see that. It does have Jaden's autograph right there on the inside. So Jaden's autograph is on the right shoe, and then on the left shoe, guys, it does say, "We run the city in these Vision." Okay, it says, "We run the city in these Vision laces." Okay, which, I mean, cool. That's what's up, Jaden. All right, bet, bro. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm a fan of the Vision Racers. Not only are they just a really dope, futuristic looking, like space boot type of shoe, but at the end of the day, guys, they are extremely comfortable. As we already know, man, when we're talking about shoes of comfort, shoes that people want to walk around in all day long, New Balance has always crushed it. I don't think there's anyone in New Balance's lane when it comes to consistency in the comfort department, if that makes any sense. Now, me personally, I will always stand by the New Balance 993. That is one of my all-time favorite shoes, just because of, one, its versatility, and two, because of its comfortability, and three, because of its durability. Okay, so, but yeah, guys, we're not talking about 993s, we're talking about Vision Racers. So this is the Vision Racer right here, guys. Of course, let me know in the comments what you think. Did you guys even care to pick up a pair? I know this actually dropped on a lot of places. I know Hibbett Sports, Foot Locker, Champs, a lot of foot sites actually got this shoe. So if this was a shoe that you picked up, man, let me know what you think. Let me know how you're gonna rock it. I already have an outfit in mind for these. I'm actually gonna go pick up on Monday. Can't wait to have that. And guys, let me know what you think about these compared to the other ones. So right here, I do have my pair of Vision Racer Multis, like so, Vision on the bottom, and it actually lets you know what each material, what the shoe is comprised of here. I also have my powder blues right here. Now this is a pair that is going to be staying in the vault for a little while. I am going to wear them, of course, but this is probably my favorite pair. Of course, you know, you boys from North Carolina, so that good old baby blue definitely means something to me, man. I also have the yellow pair as well, aka the Sunflowers. I actually like this shoe a lot. I've actually worn this one time. Like I said, guys, really comfortable shoe. The inside is padded, really soft, man. It's really durable. If you have a bigger foot, guys, and you're looking for a really comfortable shoe, definitely check out the Vision Racers, man. You will not be disappointed. So, Rebels, with that being said, oh, I gotta show you the box. Sorry. I always forget to do that, man. I always forget to show you guys the box. Same thing with all of the other Vision Racers that have come out. Nothing different. You're gonna get a white Vision Racer New Balance box that has the Vision logo on the front, on the lid, all right? And it's gonna have the New Balance logo on every corner of the lid, one right here. And then you got that Vision logo over here. Of course, you have that recycle symbol because Jaden is really on this recycle kick, recycle wave. It's really not even a wave for him. He's always been about preserving the environment, which is why his shoes are made out of recycled materials. Makes sense, but it's weird. They're made out of recycled materials and they're so comfortable. Great job, bro, for real. And of course, guys, you got New Balance branding all over the place. You know, you got your bottom right here, just general information, okay? And the tag does read New Balance Lifestyle. Okay, it doesn't really have a color on it, but just know that the black and pink ones came in this box, okay? So yeah, Rebels, that is it for the review, man. You guys, of course, in the comment section below, let me know what you think about the New Balance Vision Racers in their black and pink colorway, okay? I know these weren't very limited. So I know the blue pair and the multi-pair, guys, were extremely limited. The multi-pair only came out in 2 places. It came out on the Greenhouse app and it came out on footlocker.com. That was it. The stores didn't even get this shoe, so it is what it is. Now, a lot of select boutiques and newbalance.com got the powdered blues. So I was actually able to hit on both of these, thank goodness. Yeah, Rebels, y'all let me know in the comments below, man, what y'all think about the Vision Racer line in general. You know, know, do you guys think that this is a shoe that you would definitely see yourself rocking? How do you feel about them, man? And of course, let me know if you're able to pick up a pair, Rebels. So with that being said, it's your boy CJ McGill checking out with another video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. We have officially reached 300 subscribers, so now we are coasting and we are on the road to 400 subscribers on the Rebel Gang YouTube channel, guys. So make sure you subscribe. It is very important. We keep the channel growing in a positive direction. Also, Rebels, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Matt the Rebel. Of course, links are in the description, and the icon should pop back up on the screen. Okay, so with that being said, Rebels, you already know what's up, man. It's your boy CJ McGill, aka CJ Rebel, aka Matt the Rebel, checking out with another video, family, and I'll see you in the next one. And we out. Peace.